In this video, we review the best frameless shower doors on the market, highlighting top features like durability, design, and ease of installation to help you choose the perfect door for your bathroom renovation. Let's dive into the WOODBRIDGE MSDC frameless sliding shower, a sleek, modern addition to any bathroom. This shower features 3/8-inch tempered safety glass, offering durability and easy cleaning. The adjustable width and 76-inch height provide a customizable fit for most spaces. One standout feature is the large stainless steel rollers, allowing the door to slide smoothly and quietly with minimal effort. The shatter retention glass ensures safety in case of breakage, while the EnduraClean coating keeps the glass looking pristine. For added convenience, the reversible door allows for flexible installation to suit your bathroom layout. Anti-splash thresholds help keep water inside the shower, preventing unwanted spills. Even with all these features, WOODBRIDGE maintains a lifetime warranty on the glass and 1-year warranty on other hardware, making it a reliable, long-term investment for your bathroom upgrade. The VIGO adjustable frameless sliding shower door delivers a sleek and customizable solution for any modern bathroom. With adjustable widths ranging from 44 to 48 inches, it provides the flexibility to fit various shower spaces without compromising on style. The 3/8-inch thick, clear tempered glass not only enhances the door's durability, but also adds a polished look that resists scratches and tarnishing. What stands out is its premium stainless steel hardware, which provides long-lasting performance with minimal maintenance. The roller disc feature allows for a smooth, quiet sliding action, and the 7-layer coating ensures the hardware finish remains consistent over time. While the door's design is elegant and minimalist, the real benefit lies in its easy installation with all necessary hardware included, making it a solid choice for anyone looking to upgrade their shower setup. At an affordable price point, it combines both form and function seamlessly. Next up is the DreamLine Aqua Uno frameless hinged tub door, designed to elevate your bathroom with a sleek and modern look. With a width of 34 and 5/16 inches and a height of 58 inches, this tub door fits most standard 60-inch openings, providing a walk-in opening of 59.5 inches. The single-panel swing door is constructed from high-quality 1/4-inch thick, clear tempered glass, offering both durability and a premium, European-style design. Its frameless curved appearance enhances any bathroom's aesthetic. The Aqua Uno is designed with ease of installation in mind, offering a reversible configuration to fit your layout needs, whether it's for a right or left wall installation. While it lacks width adjustment or support for out-of-plumb walls, the sleek chrome hardware and towel bar handle provide added functionality and style. Ideal for straight bathtubs, this door combines practicality with elegance to refresh any bathroom space. The DreamLine Aqua Ultra hinged shower door offers an impressive blend of modern aesthetics and practical design. With its frameless curved glass, this shower door adds a sleek, European-style touch to any bathroom. Featuring a 5/16-inch thick, clear tempered glass, it ensures durability while maintaining a clean, minimalist look. The anodized aluminum U-channel allows up to a 1/4-inch adjustment for out-of-plumb walls, providing flexibility during installation. It includes a convenient towel bar handle and a reversible installation option, allowing for either left or right door openings depending on your space requirements. The stationary panel and swing door configuration offer a wide walk-in opening, making it a great choice for smaller bathrooms where sliding doors might not work. Professional installation is recommended for the best results. DreamLine's Aqua Ultra should be a top contender for anyone looking for a stylish and functional shower upgrade. The Fab Glass and Mirror Marcella single sliding shower door is designed to elevate your bathroom with both style and durability. With a price tag of around $1,149, this door features 3/8-inch thick tempered glass, providing both strength and a sleek appearance. The door's matte black grid design adds a modern touch, while the dual-sided Easy Clean coating helps resist soap scum and water stains, making it low maintenance. The system fits openings from 56 to 60 inches wide and stands 76 inches tall, offering flexibility in installation. It includes a rust-resistant stainless steel support rod and corrosion-resistant aluminum framing for enhanced durability. The reversible handle and smooth sliding mechanism make it user-friendly, while the frameless design contributes to an open, airy feel in your space. If you're looking for a high-quality, functional shower door, this Marcella model is definitely worth considering for its performance and elegant design.